I'm Richard Park with the UBM Canon Medical Devices Group, and I'm here at the MD&M West show in Anaheim, California, and I'm here asking attendees a couple of questions about policy issues affecting the medical device industry. Which candidate do you think will do the most to help and support the medical device industry?
Well, not Obama, because he's doing the medical device tax. Most likely, actually, Ron Paul. So.
And why Ron Paul?
He's a physician, right, by trade. So I think he has a good understanding of the healthcare industry. I think with that unique perspective, he'll be able to help better balance is adding extra tax the right way to increase jobs here in the U.S. and maybe even position us in developing where trainings that we all need for the next generation to be competitive when comparing to globally. Maybe manufacturing is not the way, but maybe we need to develop more on design leaders and high technology manufacturing sets. So,
probably that candidate which lessens the amount of government influence on the medical device industry, therefore stripping away regulations and those things which bottleneck the industry as a whole.
Not a Republican. I would have to go with Obama because I'm a Democrat.
Okay. And why?
Because I'm a Democrat, and I don't think the Republicans would do it.
Okay.
It's an interesting question that I don't know that I have an on-the-spot answer for, actually. So I'm actually a libertarian at heart, so I do appreciate Ron Paul's views on that and believe in small government, but I also come from Massachusetts, and Mitt Romney actually did a good job as governor there, but has some controversial views on healthcare as well. So I'm going to choose to non-answer on that one.
I don't know. I think if the current president really gets back to where he started with his ideas and where he started with his medical plan, I think he'll be doing a good job. That's what I think.
Sure.
That's a hard question because I don't see any of them being able to do that. Right now, the medical device industry is really being hit hard by some of the regulations and how they're being interpreted, really. Okay, so that's what's really it's really pretty difficult for the medical device and business. So I don't see any of the candidates right now coming forward and putting any kind of policy together to do that.
Well, Obama. Mainly because of his agenda from the beginning, to provide the necessary health sources for the population. Of course, there are some difficulty for the tax issue for medical device, and I understand that, which is going to be implemented on 2013.
Right.
Yeah, that's not really the positive, but in my opinion, medical device industry would pass we passed that hurdle. And main thing is to majority of people to be covered.